guys, it's Laura from TuxedoPlanners, back with you with another plan with me in my personal Hobonichi weeks for the week of June 24th through June 30th. So the last week of June. I can't believe that. We're already into July. Where does the time go? I don't know. The older I get, the quicker it goes. All right, so as you well know, if you've been with me watching these long enough, you know that I do like to outline my weeks. So I went on and I've done that. I am using a little kit from Shine Sticker Studio, which I ordered off of her website, I think. And I will link that down below as well, in case you're interested. And then I have some other little odds and ends that I'm going to be using also. This shouldn't take too long. I was very thoughtful about trying to get everything laid out properly. So I've got that going on here. The first thing I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go on and put in my my dates. So we have the 24th, 25th, 26th, 8, and 30. All right, so we're going to get those in. So I've written those in. All right, so let's lay our bottom washi down first. And this is going to be one of those where it's not going to cover up the whole writing. So let me see what I'm going to do about that. So I'm just going to have to see if that'll work. Okay, that'll work. I'll just take some of that out with some white out. It'll be all right. So we're going to lay our sticker down for our bottom washi. As you guys know, I like my washi to cover up my entire bottom section, but that's okay. We'll live, won't we? Okay, so we're going to cover that up and put this one down as well. I love these little Shine Sticker Studio kits. They are really cute, super cute. And we're going to kind of write that out. I might put a little something down here. I don't know, because I'm not sure that whiteout's going to work so well. I'm just going to scratch some of it off. Okay, that'll be all right. Okay, so now let's turn the book around and let's do our top washi, okay? So we'll get our top washi done. I think she has her products at Michael's now too. I didn't know that. I was looking at somebody else's unboxing video on YouTube, and I noticed that they had that Shine Sticker Studio was at Michael's now. So that's nice. Yay for them. It's awesome. All right, so I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to put Sunday in. There we go. And then I'm going to jump back up to the top and put Monday in. And I do this because it helps me to line my stickers up better, I've noted. So here, there we go. And then we'll just continue down as normal here. So got that. And Tuesday. And let's see. We go Wednesday. I might speed you guys through this process so you don't have to sit here and watch me do this, because I know it gets tedious after a while. Okay, so those are the dates. Let's put in our weekend banner. And I do enjoy the way she has the weekend banner on the side. I think that is really super cute, and I wish more kits would do that. And I'm going to put down some... She's got a couple of habit trackers here, so we're going to pop those down because I will use them. And I need one for journaling. I've been rather remiss about journaling, so I'm going to write in journal. So I told myself, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do there. So I told myself I need to do more of my journaling. and I have not done it. All right, so I think we're going to do boxes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There, okay. And then I want to pop in this cute little unicorn. This reminds me of the unicorn from what's that movie? In and Out? Out and In? In and Out, I think. That Disney film. Isn't he cute? I think he's adorable. We're going to put him up here because I think he's just so cute. So, all right, so we're going to do that. Then we have these other stickers she's got for us, and these are to-do stickers. I think I'm going to lay these down on these days here, on the days that do not have the box in them. And Saturday, let's try a yellow one. Try not to get the colors. And I do want one for Sunday. So we'll do the green for Sunday. I like our little Hobonichi kits. They are super cute. There. Oh, and you know what I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to run my line down. So I'm going to run my line down real quick. There we go. And there. I just like to outline I think it helps them to stand out a little bit more on this. There we go. And because this is a Papermate Ink Joy, you kind of blow on it to let it dry. And this is the week so far, just so you guys know. So I'm filming this week, and my daughter has a doctor's appointment today at 1 p.m. So, and then they're doing Music on Main, which is a big summer event here where we are at. Okay, so we have that. All right, so back to this one. All right, so then we have a to clean, and I'm going to put that sticker, actually just pop it here with these little incredibly tiny date dots, little dots here. So I'm gonna put them here. Oh my gosh, these things are so tiny. Whoa. There's no way in heck no tweezer in the world is going to help me get them down straight. All right, sorry about that. Somebody's trying to text me. Why is it when you try and film something or do anything, somebody's always trying to get in touch with you all of a sudden? It's like they have some kind of radar that, oh, we need to contact her now because she's busy. It's crazy how that works. All right. All right, so we got that down. And I don't have a lot to buy, but I need to buy some stuff. I need to buy some stuff for my channel, for my YouTube. All right, so I got that down. And I need another, I'm going to put a to-do on Tuesday. Here. All right, and I love this little flag. I'm not sure where to use it at, but it's cute. Oh my word, is it too cute. Here, I'm going to put it down here with the habit trackers. There we go. And she's got another little flags. Okay. All right, so I have left these to-dos and these two little flags, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to go in real quick and put my weather in. Okay, so now I want to go in and put in my stickers for this. And I have these little stickers here, and these are from the Very Crafty Mama. And I absolutely love these little stickers. So we have that. Tuesday, it's also going to be sunny. Wednesday is a partly cloudy day. Thursday is sunny. Friday is partial rain. I don't think it's really going to rain, so I'm just going to put one of these partially sunny days in. And then Saturday, same thing. And then Sunday is, what day? All right, so there's my weather. That's the weather for Western North Carolina, if you guys want to know. Okay, so we have that. Then on Monday, we have our work schedule. And that is, what is that? The 24th. My husband is off. My son is off. Oh my God, they're both off on the same day. Amazing. Tuesday, my husband is 7 to 4. And my son is off. Oh, wow. I just noticed that, what I've done. Okay, that didn't turn out so well, did it? I just messed that up. Okay, so Ron is 7 to 4. My son is off. This is actually Wednesday. Wednesday is my husband's off, so let me just mark this out. And there goes my planner on the floor down there that I was using. Okay, so that's off. Ron is on Tuesday, no, Thursday he's 6 to 3. Friday he is 10 to 7. Saturday, the neighbor's dog's barking, so if you hear my dog starting to bark, he's barking because the neighbor's dog's barking. And like Lady and the Tramp, he's got to get on the bark chain because he can't be outdone by the neighbor's dog, of course. Sunday, he is 7 to 4. And I'm not sure what my son is. I don't have a schedule. Okay, so I've already smeared that, as you can see. And like I said, I dropped my planner all over the floor. Okay. So we have Monday. My husband has, see, I need to do the laundries. So we're going to put that there. And to use those, I'm going to use my girl here because on Tuesday I'm going to be working. I'm going to put a little cup of coffee down for Monday. And Ron has a doctor's appointment at, I think, 7:30 in the morning, which is incredible. Yep, he does, 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 a.m. Ooh, that's a little, I'm not going with him to that doctor's appointment. That's too early for me. Let's do that. Thursday, I'm definitely going to be working as well there. And I love this unicorn. Look at this unicorn. This little, but I got to put this somewhere. He's just too cute. Here, we're going to put him here. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I saw that. I'm like, oh, I got to have this. All right, so. And then my son has a dentist appointment. So, doc, dentist. And he's at 11 a.m. These little Hobonichis really don't have a lot of room. I need to buy a microphone. Headsets for my headphones for my new, this is for my stuff for my new channel. To clean, I have to do the bathrooms. Sheets, kitchen, and vac floors. Standard everyday stuff. Okay. All right, so that's Monday. Then we have, I think that's it so far. All right, so I think that's all my appointments so far. I'm going to have to just go on and just put down to-do stickers here. I'm just going to pop these guys in, guys. I'm going to need them. I can already tell I'm going to need them. And I'm probably going to need more over here. All right, so over here, I've already ran out of room on Monday. There's more stuff I need for Monday, so I'm just going to put it over here. So we have John. My son-in-law goes to the D&D on Monday nights from 8 till 10. All right. Got that work there. Okay, guys, I think so far this is it. And I used up basically all my stickers. The only thing I've left is those two little things. So I got that. Wish I had room for that big unicorn. All right, Wednesday is payday. Sunday is the big guy, but he's going to be a lazy day. No, I don't know if I like him. Well, I don't know if I like him there. I think I'm going to pull him back up. He takes up way too much room. So we're going to put him back down on there. We'll use him another time. I have to do the sheets, which are probably going to get done on Tuesday. Garbage, that. All right, that's it. All right, guys, so here it is. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you guys like the content that I have to offer, I would certainly love to have you subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload my content of when I do. And for all of my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for the support. I love each and one of you. And with that, I'm off. I'm off, guys. Bye. Catch you in the next one.